What are the pros and cons of marble floor tiles? Dear friends, marble floor tiles are a popular choice for many homeowners looking to add a touch of elegance and sophistication to their interiors. These tiles can be used in various areas of the home, such as bathroom and wet room, flooring, and kitchens for the classic checkered look. Watch below the advantages and disadvantages of marble flooring tiles. Advantages: renowned for their luxurious look, marble tiles such as Carrara and Calacatta are highly sought after for their distinctive veining and timeless beauty. Carrara marble, originating from Italy, is known for its soft gray hues and delicate veining, making it a classic choice for kitchens. Calacatta marble, on the other hand, features bolder and more dramatic veining with a wider background, often making it a centerpiece in high-end designs. The classic look of marble can significantly enhance the aesthetics of a kitchen floor, providing a clean and sophisticated appearance that can complement various design styles, from traditional to contemporary. Disadvantages: as a porous natural stone, marble requires regular sealing to protect it from stains and damage. This maintenance can be time-consuming and must be done correctly to preserve the stone's beauty. Without proper sealing, marble can absorb spills, leading to permanent stains and discoloration. Marble can scratch and stain more easily than other materials, making it less suitable for high-traffic areas or homes with young children and pets. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.